Hello, Eagles. How is everybody doing? It's Mother Eagle here. Well, we are going back to the basics. Some basics and fundamental principles that you need to know in order to live better and thrive. You know, life in general has some natural laws, natural rules. These are considered universal laws, like the law of attraction, the law of reciprocation. So there are so many laws that are governing us, and if you know some of them, life gets easier because you can trust that if you abide or you're within the law, your life gets a sense of flow. So there's not too much hard pushing. Um, I saw a story one time about crabs. You know, crabs are sea creatures. And apparently, they love to swim upstream to go back to the place where they do hatch their babies, where they do reproduce from. You know, so if it's that season of reproduction, of producing more crabs, they swim opposite the water bodies. Imagine a waterfall is going down and you're trying to go up. Many millions and millions of crabs die along the way as they head back to hatch in their place. But in life, the whole principle here is to find a way to go with the flow and the nature and rhythm of life. Anytime you go against it, opposite it, sideways, you find so many blockages, things that are not helpful, unnecessary suffering and difficulty. And yet it doesn't have to be like that. But once you find the rhythm and the flow, and you bend yourself or tilt yourself towards that rhythm, you'll find that life is a bit easier. Creating is easier. Things being in your favor just happens naturally. It looks like your whole life is this kind of miracle, and yet you're actually not doing anything. You're just being obedient to the nature of creation. It's like the law of giving and receiving. It's the same thing, you know. You know, when you give, somehow you'll receive. If you keep that channel open, the cycle will naturally continue. You don't have to do much and trick and pull and push. It naturally happens because that's the law, you know. So, yeah, I guess the point of this video is awareness regarding the universal laws. First of all, know what they are, then learn how they operate, gain mastery of these laws. Then from there, life will have a certain nice rhythm, you know, a rhythm of enjoyment in that process. As always, it's Mother Eagle here. Talk to you soon.